Super awesome, guys. So today I'm going to teach you about how to trade a ranging market, because for traders the most challenging thing is to trade any sideways market. So in the live market I'll show you how you can trade the sideways market and how you can make money from a ranging market very safely, very easily, and with the peace of mind and ease of mind. So like this is Nifty here in front of all of you. Now let's make it a full screen. अगर आप निफ्टी को देखें तो फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 days निफ्टी वॉज एब्सोल्युटली साइडवेज 1 2 3 इट्स बीन 3 days जब पिछले 3 दिनों से निफ्टी साइडवेज है. Now let's mark the upper and lower boundary. So for that matter let's go to a 60-minute chart. Let me just make it a 60-minute here. Now it's a better view. अब अगर हम पिछले 3 दिन को देखें 1 2 and 3, right? So today is the, if you go back to the daily to check out 1 2 3, right? So we will start from 9th May. तो 9 मई को अगर हम देखें तो this was the low. So let's mark it and write it as a swing, as a lower boundary of sideways market. Sideways or ranging, they are the same thing. So this is the lower boundary of sideways market. And what's the upper boundary? This is the upper boundary. So let's write it also. हमेशा चार्ट पे लेवल्स को लिख के रखना, लेवल्स को मार्क करके रखना इज अ वेरी वेरी गुड प्रैक्टिस एंड डू इट, राइट? हमेशा चार्ट्स पे लेवल्स को आप मार्क करके रखिए. नाउ दिस इज योर अपर बाउंड्री ऑफ साइडवेज मार्केट. So I know that Nifty is sideways, and it is sideways in a range of say 18,400 on the upside and 18,200 on the downside. So merely if you see Nifty is sideways between in a 200 points range. तो 200 पॉइंट की रेंज है निफ्टी की जिसमें निफ्टी साइडवेज है. नाउ द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस इज दैट जब भी बाजार साइडवेज होती है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज योर साइडवेज मार्केट, लेट्स मेक इट अ 15 minute. सो व्हेनेवर मार्केट इज साइडवेज, व्हाट्स द स्ट्रैटेजी? क्या स्ट्रैटेजी है साइडवेज मार्केट को ट्रेड करने की? दैट यू बाय, let me just remove the magnet mode, otherwise it automatically captures the high and low. So now you see here, what's the strategy to trade a sideways market is you buy at the lower boundary, right? You buy at the lower boundary and you sell at the upper boundary. जब भी प्राइस लोअर बाउंड्री पे आएगी, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल, एक साइडवेज मार्केट है, दिस इज द रेंज. सो दिस इज हाउ योर मार्केट इज. तो जब भी मार्केट लोअर बाउंड्री पे ट्रैप बनाती है, यू नीड टू बाय हियर, एंड व्हेनेवर इट ट्रैप्स traders on the upper boundary, you need to sell here. This should be the part of your strategy of trading a ranging market. So whenever the first step, write down the first step to trade any sideways market. The first step is figure out the boundaries of the sideways market. Step number 2, look for the piercing or trapping at the lower boundary to buy, and look for the trapping on the upper boundary to sell. And whenever there is a trapping, a pattern, I call it a GCR and RCR, like this is a green candle reversal. This is when bears got trapped in the market. So जब भी bears got trapped at the lower boundary and green candle was formed, means bulls taken over the bears, you need to buy it, and you need to buy here, and you can keep 2 targets, right? Target क्या क्या रखने हैं आपको? The first target is 50% of the entire range. So the first target is Like in this case, if it's a 200 points ranging market, the first step is to keep 100 points target, half the range. And the second and ultimate target is to keep the upper boundary, near about the upper boundary as a target. So like in this case you can see, अब अगर हम यहाँ पे एक फिबोनाची retracement लगाएं, so if I consider it from here to here, you can see that we already reached to 50%. So your first target, if you bought it here, your first target is your 50%, which is already reached. And so this is the time when you book half the profits and look for the further profitability. Okay, have I done it, or I'm just teaching you? What do you think? What do you think, everybody? Let me show you what I did. You can see this is my trading account into fires. So let me just refresh it. मैंने भी निफ्टी की 18,000 की कॉल्स खरीदी थी. This is in front of you, and I bought it here after the reversal pattern. You can see these arrows, right? I booked the half. I was bought 1,000 quantity, which is 20 lots into Nifty. I booked 500 here, and I'm still holding 500 quantity and looking for the higher targets and making almost 29,000 rupees in front of you with the same concept which I just taught you. So how you found this strategy? Yeah, what all you learned from this strategy? Just make a note of it, comment below, and I'll catch you all in the next strategy video. I, Kirti Agrawal, support you and wish you abundance of trading success. Bye bye. Take care.